girl, hey, this your girl coming to you today with another wig review. It's not gonna be this wig that's on my head. This right here is one of my second favorite wig that I own, and it is the Futurist Equal Vishanti wig. I can't remember what color it is, but I will have it tagged down in the comments for you. But today we are going to, I've been wanting to try one of these, y'all, for the longest. And so I finally got one. And it is the Sensational Instant Half Down wig. Okay, and I got the one in, it's in 1B. So you get one pack in 4 styles. So you can do this half up, half down. They have like a high pony. And then, or they call it an updo, which is a high pony. And then a pony wrap, and then you can just wear the half wig. So I know I definitely want to try to see what the half up, half down is looking like. We're gonna also try and see what that half wig is and the pony wrap. So we're gonna hit 3 out of 4. It does say that it is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. It also comes in a T227, a T230, a T2 613, a T2 BG, which is burgundy, a T2 copper, and a T4 ash blonde. They also give you instructions on how to wear this wig but they give you the instructions on how to do the instant up down. Also, if you're into this face, this makeup look, go ahead and hit the cards up above to see how I achieve this face. It is a fall look tutorial. The only difference is I switched my lip up with a different i.am.Beauty Black Magic lipstick, and this one is in Lady of Gold, y'all. It is delicious. The half up, half down, we're gonna save that for last, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Shanti. She's absolutely gorgeous. I love her. Okay, so first up, we are going to do the half wig. So let's do the half wig.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, yeah, I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just an old habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we're getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me. 'Cause you all mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other doors. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. You're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. Yeah. You. Yeah, I cannot chase you, and I cannot fly. Chase you. Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way? I'ma go home, I'ma type up my thoughts, print it out, color, don't slip, dancing in your socks. When you read it, let me know if I'm enough. I keep on spitting facts, and you know that I don't bluff. Chase you, I cannot fly. 2, 3. I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days? I'm losing my ways.
There's really no point in waiting for someone who's not gonna change. Yeah, I guess you're right. Should I just end it?
2, 3. I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I might stay here for days? I'm losing my ways. I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, 'cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me.
So y'all, what do you think? Absolutely love this sensational instant up down. It is in the style 4. I didn't mention that. It is in the style 4. So, you know, Lord knows we was wading through the water in the first couple of styles with the texture of my hair, honey. That's why I pay my lovely sister-in-law, Ashlee. Thank you. Thank you so much. I pay her to wash and condition my hair and just to take care of it for me. Honey, if somebody can do it, I'll pay them. So I'm just thankful that my sister-in-law is that person. Also, speaking of my sister-in-law, she also has a boutique that's open. She actually owns her own beauty salon, the Ladies Room Luxury Beauty Salon here in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the surrounding areas, look her up, Ashlee Graves. Also, you can go and follow her as well. She has a YouTube channel. It's at Life I Do That, and I'll put that on the screen. Go show her some love. And also on Instagram, she also has a boutique called Into Boutiques, where she sells things in perfect pairs and sets. Y'all, her taste of style is amazing. You won't be disappointed. So go follow her. I'll put all of her handles and everything down in the description box. Y'all, which one was your favorite? Despite the fact that flat iron wasn't doing worth a darn to get this hair straightened of mine, but I could definitely go to my sister-in-law, honey, have her work them kinks out to where it'll be super straight. You wouldn't even know that I'm natural, okay? To where I would be able to wear those styles. But my favorite, I would have to say my number one favorite out of the 3 ways that you can wear this wig or wear this piece is I love when the hair was down with the headband, with the head wrap. So I will more than likely be wearing that style first. And y'all, I feel like I got my I Dream of Jeannie. What she do, y'all? Anyways, I mean, I'm getting I Dream of Jeannie vibes, okay? I'm back. My phone had died, so I had to go charge that up. But let's wrap this video up. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't like and comment and subscribe, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted when another video goes up. Okay? Y'all see I had enough time to go on and throw a messy bun. Speaking of a messy bun, I got another girlfriend that also has a boutique where she sells t-shirts with different slogans exemplifying natural beauty, okay? And that's what we're all about over here at i.am.UNFADING. So I will leave her information down in the description box as well, to where you can go check out her merchandise. But I need that messy bun shirt, Erica. If you watch it, baby, for this style. I'm gonna cop that messy bun just for this style. Until next time, toodles.